In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email campaigns in Kartra. We'll walk through the exact workflow for building an automated sequence, keeping everything simple, clear, and easy to follow. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Kartra. In the results, choose the official Kartra website. Double-check the domain so you know you're heading to the right place, then open it. On the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your usual credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready so you can get in smoothly. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the main navigation and click Marketing. From there, select Sequences. This is the area where Kartra lets you design automated email campaigns using a visual builder. To begin a new flow, click the plus button for a new sequence. That opens the canvas where you'll map out every step. The first thing to set is your starting rule. Think of this as the trigger that decides who enters your sequence and when. Common options include when someone fills out a form, purchases a product, or receives a specific tag. Pick the option that best matches your goal. For example, if this campaign is for new leads from a particular opt-in, choose the form submission trigger tied to that opt-in. Getting this trigger right ensures only the right people receive your emails. Next, use the drag-and-drop canvas to add email steps. Drop in your first email after the starting rule, then continue adding additional emails as needed. Between each message, place a wait step and set a delay, such as wait 2 days, to control pacing. These delays help you avoid overwhelming your audience and give them time to engage. A practical approach is to start with a shorter delay after the first message, then space out subsequent emails based on how your audience typically responds. To personalize the journey, add if-then rules to split the path. For example, create a branch that checks if a lead clicked a link in email 1. If they did, send them email 2A with content that digs deeper into their interest. If they didn't, route them to email 2B with a softer nudge or a different angle. Behavior-based branching keeps your messaging relevant and can improve conversions, especially when your emails reference the exact action taken. As you build, click Actions and then Save Progress. Save regularly to make sure your work is captured. When your structure, delays, and rules look good, perform one final save so your sequence is safely stored and ready for the next steps in your workflow.